Hey, welcome everyone. How's it going? Okay, let me grab the chat. All right. Okay, so we have some technical difficulties. We had to change the streaming platform. I hope everything is fine on this one. So, wait, sorry. Not the invite link. All right, seems like we're good. So, mute tab. Okay. So how's everybody doing? Let me see if the chat works. It does. Great. Okay. Okay. Let me grab a link for the people in Discord. All right. So, hey, I can see ZX Robin already in the chat. How's it going, bro? Slozok 666. It's the first time that I'm seeing you in the chat. Welcome. Brother. Popcat when you have time. Popcat, definitely, bro. I mean, so far BTC is just hanging below the all-time high, right? So Dora, welcome. How's it going? Yeah, so BTC has been just hanging below the all-time high, right? I cannot confirm if we're going to make a new all-time high, but it's so unlikely if we don't because of the liquidity reasons, right? We still have this. If you've been around, you probably know that on BitMEX there is this huge liquidity level that is still untapped. So far, I mean, if you don't have a position on PTC, I think the worst idea is to open one. I mean, no matter short or long. Hey Pablo, how's it going, bro? What do you suggest? I'm green all around in November, December. I honestly don't want this, right? So, I mean, if the monthly close is regular, like this, I think let's actually remove the drawings. I know BC was talking about this, right, in one of his streams. So what he's talked about is this recent month range which we broke to the upside. There's this one and this one as well. So all these four levels are very important on the monthly time frame, right? And if you zoom in a little bit, you can see the accuracy of the levels, right? I mean, yesterday everything was perfect, I would say, but today we got this. Looks we're forming a little deviation here. Still not confirmed, but yeah, that does not look perfect. But as I said, like if we don't get any all-time high, I would be surprised, because if you've been around, when we were around here, I've been talking about this high being a poor high, right? So and we had our TPO backing this theory up, right? So we had the weekly TPO, and I think I still have the writing. Yeah, this is a poor high on the weekly. I mean, kind of front run that level by a little bit, right? But that's what BTC usually does, right? Because like building up liquidity, I mean, if you understand the concept of liquidity, usually in crypto and in the markets that are driven by perps, right? Like the indices, like this one, like the indices, like crypto, okay? Like these markets, if you understand the liquidity, you're gonna suddenly find yourself in the best trades. All right. Yesterday in Discord, someone was asking about my liquidity thesis on about ETH, right? Because like this is the chart that I've been sharing, and as you probably do know, like ETH is not my favorite token to trade recently, right? Like there's massive amount of liquidity resting below, and ETH is just compressing to the upside. I know some people may say that this is you guys help me with the name, with the pattern's name. I don't know, I forgot about them about 3-4 years ago. What's this one called? Ascending triangle, but that's at the bottom, right? So yeah, it's kind of compressing. I know everybody has this pattern on their ETH chart, right? But usually what happens is, I mean, ETH has proven me wrong about the liquidity concepts a long time ago, and that's not only because um ETH is doing something. I think their market makers have like different theories, right? But I don't know what's going on ETH. But like same thing is happening, right? So some people are doing this and they say, okay, if we flip this level, we just continue to the upside. They kind of these two bar patterns, yeah. So they do this. They go on lower time frames. So yeah, you can easily do this, right? Maybe like this, and then they put it here. All right, great, and they have their plans, but I honestly don't know. If this happens, I still will not trade ETH in the upcoming month or weeks, because I just want the liquidity grab, man. Give me the swing failures. That's what BTC has been doing perfectly, right? So look at this. Like they build this liquidity here. Okay, they pump the price. On the first initial move, they front run the order block, which was also in confluence with the. Let me remove these guys. So yeah, this is just building up liquidity, right? They pump, they front run the order block, which was also in confluence with the golden pocket, right? They also front run the 0.65 level, right? But then the next move was this sharp, harsh move to the downside, right? And everyone was saying that, okay, the move is done, we're going to 40k. But that was the literal bottom for this range, right? And since then we've been up about 45%. So yeah, that's what I like to see in crypto. And the reason that I've been a bull during this whole consolidation was also liquidity reasons, because we if we cut this part of the chart off, right? So we had this liquidity level, liquidity zone, untapped and untapped. So all these levels are just liquidity. So this just looks like Ethereum but flipped, right? So if I invert this, it just looks like Ethereum, right? So you see, it has been leaving liquidity behind, but that's why I was a bull here, right? I knew that the trend is to the downside. We've been making lower highs and lower lows, but yeah, that's why I was a bull, and the plan worked out perfectly, right? So we grabbed all the liquidity for all these levels. The only thing left is a new all-time high. But I honestly, that's just building up liquidity, just like what happened here. So they, even if we get a bearish move, right, to the downside, probably to the golden pocket again, right, something like this, and everyone gets bearish here, but then they do this and just like this, right, they grab all the liquidity that's been built up. That's how people, the big guys, are playing the Bitcoin chart and the crypto market in general. Willing to make a lot? I'm also willing to make a lot, bro. What do you mean? So are we live on Twitter as well or not? Why aren't we live on? Oh, we are. Okay. It supports 1080 as well. Okay. So yeah, any questions, guys, so far about this whole liquidity concept? Because I want to jump to the altcoins, and I know a lot of people have missed this move and are trying to make it back with the altcoins, right? That's probably your plan. Variety Life from Twitter. Is it a token? Sorry. It's not, bro. What do you mean you are? You baited me, man. Don't do this, please. So ZX Robin asked for Popcat. Man, I missed on Popcat, and I'm sorry for myself, of course, but I don't know. Like look at this, man. This is just you cannot fight this. This is just a textbook definition of a strong trend, right? And it's not been failing so far. This is not a trend line. This is just to show you that how the lows are bought up, right? I don't use trend lines. You're live. Oh yeah, I am live. Thanks for messaging from Twitter, man. Let me know if you have any requests for altcoins or any other ticket. JB is nice BTC analysis. Appreciate your sharing. Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely. Thanks for being here. All right. So this Popcat chart. What is this gap, man? It's CoinEx, I understand, but Bybit? Oh yeah, it's not on Bybit. Okay, so CoinEx things. All right, so let's have a look at. I would bet that if are we going to get something like this on profile? Just trying to guess. Oh yeah, look at that. So this is just a B-shaped profile. And if you've been around, you know that I'm a huge fan of stuff, charts that are looking like this, right? So basically the idea is that you want to see the consolidation range. This is the consolidation range, right? That eventually caused this the price to fly up, right? So you want to see the most amount of the volume happening in this consolidation range. Okay, that means that people are actually caring about this. But yeah, that's what I like to see. Look how the price got tightened at the retest of the value area high. This is not random, right? So I found this volume profile, especially the fixed range one, right? Very accurate, especially for the tokens that are recently listed. I mean, this been around for a couple of months, right? Oh yeah, about 4 months. So yeah, look at the retest. It's perfect, bro, and it's not random at all, right? So you had something like this. But yeah, I didn't have this chart on my watch list. People were asking about this on the stream after the move was done. Guys, please find those that the move that we have still some trades to take. Ludwig, it says, "Hi, no time to watch the live. Can you do TIA? Just bought absolute bottom with SL below and looking for short and medium targets." And yeah, TIA. Let's have a look at TIA. So by the absolute bottom, what do you mean the absolute bottom? You mean this bottom or the local bottom? Yeah, this trade is still valid, man. So when we got this move, I was so mad at myself that I didn't call this for the members, right? Because this chart is from one of the streams. But yeah, I think we're getting another move. Let's add the profile, because that's what we do. Yeah, nice deviation. Another deviation we're getting. Perfect. And it's also at the high time frame. Yeah, look at this fair value gap at the Okay. Look at the fair value gap supporting the price up. Nice B-shaped profile. Okay, so that's I mean, what I want to do is, this is the range high. All right, and look, just right above this range high we have this volume gap, right? And these gaps like this tend to fill pretty quickly. So basically there are two trades on this chart that I can see. First, if you're a little aggressive like Ludwig was, probably that along the absolute bottom, the first trade that you have is wait for this. I mean, you have to go on lower time frames to kind of confirm it better, but yeah, wait for this deviation to confirm, right? So far it's not confirmed yet, it's working on it, right? So wait for an acceptance inside, then you can enter at this retest for a higher position. I'm gonna talk about the targets, of course. So the target is of course the value area high and the range high, but this is just a local target. If this position, I mean, if this setup works out, I would definitely keep a portion of the position open for higher targets. We talked about the gap, right? So probably this, and this is a 15R trade, bro. Okay, so this is the first one. Of course, it's much riskier, right? Because anything can happen here. I can easily see this chart do this, make a new low lower than this one, and then start going up, right? Another scenario, but I'm a fan of this position. If you can manage your risk, it's fine. It's fine to take these trades. That's what I do every day. But yeah, the risk management is going to be very important. The next trade that you have is, since we have this volume gap right above this range high, I think if we flip the god damn it. So if we flip this level, you have a position for yourself, and you should be pretty, and the move should be pretty quick. Probably you might not get the retest, but yeah, at least based on what I can see, this is the trade. Okay. Why I think this trade is a good one? It's because, I mean, let's remove the profile for a sec. Right? Oh, okay. So sorry, guys. The cat jumped on the desk. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, so this is just the accumulation range broken to the upside. And doesn't this remind you of Popcat, right? This is the accumulation range, this is the flip, and this is your 100% move. Okay. Yeah, two scenarios for Tia. The variety of life are Follow, Velo, and Zip. Don't know if you have talked about them. I don't know. I remember charting them, but I'm not sure if I have my DA still on those charts. Okay. What about Zip? Is it Zip? Why I cannot find this? Is it one of those that's only listed on the on Uniswap and stuff like that? I don't know. Let's do Velo for now. A nice retest off of the origin. Like this is the origin for this move. The price retrace, find supports again. You got yourself a move. I mean, I think this can just happen once more, right? So the origin for this move is this demand zone right here. Oh, Zig. All right, you typed zip in your previous comment. No worries, I will have a look. So yeah, it looks like, I mean, yeah, technically it's at support. The golden pocket is a huge one. Also, if you zoom in a little bit, let's remove this. We already know that it's at support on higher time frames. So let's have a look at this accumulation range. Let's see if we can confirm it. Again, nice B-shaped profile. Okay, so this is a valid one. So this is the range high. We don't need the profile anymore. Nice retest. Again, is it similar like to Popcat and the previous one that we looked at, right? So same thing, right? The accumulation range broken to the upside. Was it Tia, right? Yeah, I think it was Tia that Ludwig asked for. So nice retest, and this is the trade that you had for 66%. It's at that zone again, right? Let's find some. So this is definitely resistance. This retest right here, all right, and this one. Yeah, so yeah, definitely something like this can happen. I mean, if this worked out here, it can work out here as well. But the question is if you're going to get a nice invalidation, because I don't have enough data yet to tell you about this stop loss, because this can do this, or you can get just a small wick, then something like this, and then your stop loss is going to be adjusted according to this. But my favorite thing to happen on this chart is honestly a move to this origin. I mean, if this happens, I think that's going to be a banger on Velo. How much is it going to be? So maybe long it, stop loss here, target, I mean not time high, something like this. Yeah, this looks nice as well. So yeah, two trades, one from here, another one from here. Jimmy says that he bought Tia on the spot and kept. Oh, 10 to 12. What's its price? Yeah, 10 to 12. I mean, definitely. Look, this is the level that I have as well. $12 is definitely a nice spot to kind of de-risk a little bit or take profit. Yeah, 160%. Why not? You want the cat? Oh, the cat is sick, and I've been it's been about 40 days, 20 days that he's not been able to eat food. So I have ordered a med a medicine for him from Germany. Actually, we got it two days ago, but I don't know. I don't see any sign of him getting better yet. Let's hope for the best, though. Zeke. Oh man, what is this? What is this? So tell me, is this the line that every account on Twitter posts about Zeke? They should have this line on their charts, right? Because this is just perfect. I don't know, whenever I see something like this, I just want to trade it like this. This is just my understanding. Based on liquidity, that's what I can see. And I'm sure that the profile is going to confirm that as well. Yeah, a deviation. So this is going to be your deviation then. Let's forget this. Right, deviation, retest, new all-time high. That's what I can see on Zig. But yeah, I don't know. It's a low cap, right? But it's listed on Bybit. I don't know. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm sorry for the noise. So it's up about 40 something %, but yeah, I'm based on technicals because this chart looks a little, I don't even want to say tricky, weird, right? It's definitely weird for me, but that's the only setup that I can see for now on Zig. What else? What other requests do we have? Aave. This plan worked out. Yeah, look at that, bro. It went up about 60% from the target that I shared on the stream. Yeah, again the same principle, like it's happening over and over. Like this is the accumulation range. If you do this, you can see your B-shaped profile, right? This looks like the letter B, right? That's why we call it B-shaped profile. God damn it, this. Thoughts on the Nasdaq fall? Yeah, I have interesting stuff about Nasdaq as well. Yeah, so the accumulation range is broken to the upside, retest the range high, you get your 60% move, and it's still fine. I don't want to zoom in. I think the weekly chart is enough for you to get a trade. Welcome, Jay. Yo. Yeah, let's have a look at Nasdaq actually. Look, so if you've been around, you know that I compare Nasdaq and ES, right? So basically, look at this orange zone, right? Break it to the downside, retest one more time. It tries, no luck. Goes down for about, this is a 200 point move, right? And that's the exact same level on NQ as well, right? So break it, retest, new low, retest again, find support here at this level. But the only difference is that let me do this daily, right? So this is the level that we're talking about. Let's make it orange. Yeah, so these two levels. The only difference is the S&P, after closing above this level, made a new all-time high, and NQ didn't. But I am kind of wondering that if this gap is responsible for something, right? And I don't know. I mean, usually when you see a gap that's not filled on the indices, I get a little bit worried. Okay, and it looks like that we're going for the gap right now. All right, so we have the gap here. Looks like that we're going to fill it, but I don't have an answer for if this time we're going to do this, fill the gap, kind of pump a little bit, and then a new low. I don't know if this is going to happen again or not, but what I know right now is that this gap is juicy on NQ, right? I busted my funded account. Why though? I mean, I used to scalp Nasdaq a lot. These days I don't have time. I mostly trade high time frame, but let's see. So tricky day, right? Oh, definitely, man. What is this? Yeah, they front run these two levels, once here, once here. Kind of baited everyone, but this was the high, right? This was the failure level. Kind of retested it once, then twice. SFV above this. Holy shit, that's a 500 points move. Yeah, I can see why someone might have lost a lot on this chart. It's definitely tricky. Yeah, this range. Welcome RBY. How's it going? FTM, definitely, bro. Let's have a look at FTM. I think I have it on my watch list. I only have the OGs, you know. My watch list is not updated. I fucking have Luna Classic still on my watch list. So yeah, I think this is what you can call a boomer watch list. But let's have a look at FTM. Okay. B-shape profile. Are we going to get it? 100%. We have no volume here. Oh my god, look at that. Classic shit going. Oh, what am I doing? I think I should do this and then open up the chart. Yeah. All right. So we have another little accumulation range here as well. B shape or not? Yeah. So yeah, the accumulation range is broken to the upside, but the thing here on this chart is we didn't get a retest, right? Let's have a look at PopCat, right? This is the accumulation range, and look at the compression and the retest that we got at the value area high. So what this is exactly what we didn't get on FTM. I don't know if we kind of adjust the profile. Is it no retrace, no retest, sorry. So I think you're going to have a position actually at this retest. Not gonna lie, I kind of like this as well. Nice low. I mean, I love this. I love to see these tokens making lows like this. Some would call this an inverse head and shoulder, right? But I mean, good luck making money with that. I think this retest at the range high, at the accumulation range, is going to be a juicy one. I mean, then you can of course target the old. Let's have a look at the volume distribution. Okay. So can you see it? Yep. Can you see it? This is the retest. Since the all-time high. Yeah, I'm not sure about if we're going to get a move straight to a new all-time high or not, but you definitely have a position. Like maybe you can target this, the failure level here. Okay, then you have your entry here, first TP, second TP. Okay, so yeah, again, this invalidation level is going to be it's just temporary here. I'm not sure. It depends on how we're going to get this retest, but I'm gonna put it below the low here like this if we get a move like this. Okay, so this is the plan for FTM. Slozok is asking for link. I actually am long on link. This is the position that we have with the members on the in the Burp Nest. The first TP is hit. It's actually here. It's actually 12 something. So first TP hit. This is my second TP. You're welcome, RBY. Yeah, so but link is one of those that just doesn't move, right? So I'm just being patient here. I'm just giving this the time that it needs. But again, I don't like, as I said, if you've been around since the beginning, I'm not a huge fan of these compressions like this. That's exactly what we get on what we're getting on ETH as well. Let's see what happens. I'm happy, right? I got about 20%. Took some profit. I mean, today's candle is brutal, right? This is an ugly bearish engulfing candle at the range high. Holy. But again, the idea is the same. If we break this level, I'm looking for targets, like, but the volume distribution on link is a little bit different as well. I can show you. Yeah, you see the value area high is at here, so the volume is well distributed. It is just you have 3 high volume nodes, right? And it does not look like the previous ones. Yeah, you see the distribution is very even. We have a nice gap here though, also in confluence with the fair value gap for the all the ICT lovers. Maybe Cody, I struggle with the. Oh yeah, Cody, sorry I missed your message. Yeah. Holy shit, man. What is this? Another deviation. Where do you find these charts, guys? Holy shit, how old is this chart? Yeah, definitely at high time frame support Cody is right now. And I'm sure we have a nice B-shaped profile forming here. Yep. Oh my god, look at the point of control. Yeah, definitely at support, but I'm cause these moves, these low cap coins usually pump like this, so you need to be very patient with them if you have a position. I've been struggling for 2 years, so I don't know what your entry is on this one, but the only trade that I can see on this one right now is a buy here, which I don't love. Honestly, I don't think it's the best trade that you can get, but yeah, it's technically valid. Yeah, it's technically valid. I like it. What's Dixie doing? So this level on Dixie, this is just a huge one, right? Look at that. Resistance, 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 support here, resistance, resistance, support here. And this level is from 87, bro. 1987. Disclosure kids, welcome. Gory, what? And every time I go live and people just send me new tokens, I don't know. Oh. Is this the one? Please. Oh, it is. Yeah, they dumped on retail at the day of the listing day, definitely. That's definitely a dump, bro. Holy, it went to $4 and it's trading at, what is this, 0.6 cents? Are you one of those? Are you one of those who bought here? Or not? Be honest, bro. I mean, I don't know if the people behind this are still alive and around. Yeah, you may be lucky. It's not amazing at all, bro. It looks awful. I don't know where is zero. I want to know. So 0. So this is 0. We're getting there. I mean, it kind of tried, right? I mean, based on what we know, I know it's a shit coin, right? But based on what we know, it tried once. I want to know the volume. Volume bars. Yeah, you can see, right? It kind of tried on this move, but I mean, I don't know if this one is also a dump or not. It tried but died again. I don't know. Zero. You might get something, a pump or dump like this, but this is very shady, right? I don't know. I don't know if you should be involved. If you have lost money on this one, just forget it. You can do much better trading all these other coins than watching a shit coin going to zero, bro. Right? Bitcoin ETF saw 870 million in net flow. Holy. All right, so is there any other requests? Any last ones? Let me know. I wanna close the stream. I gotta go. Louis Cook. Please go to 15 minutes on BTC. Sure. I'm working on something. Working on a reversal. OI rising. We're getting to the New York low here. Positive delta. Oh, I mean, not the best low though. This is not a best low. We just went long. I can see a long here for sure, but like this is a super aggressive scalp line that I can see. There's a trade like this, but as I said, like I'm definitely a scalp. I don't think that BTC is just going to pump from here like this, because I don't like the low. I mean, if it does, I'm fine. I'm gonna make my money on a spot. Yeah, but this is super aggressive. These trades, I mean, this looks like one of those trades that I used to take on NQ and Bitcoin also in 2021. But yeah, I mean, kind of done with the scalping lately. I might come back though. I like the PA on lower time frames, but yeah, not the low. Let's have a look at the for you, Louis. Yeah, so we had a point of control here. Point of control here, which is tapped, but nothing happened after that. No real support. We have a port low here, also in confluence with this. I don't know, are we going to get the P? So this looks like one of those scenarios that either BTC goes, flips the value area low to as support and make a new high, or just one of these levels is going to support it. Because I mean, look at this profile. Look at this profile. There's literally no buying tail here, right? Looking for the 0.382 bounce on 15. Ah, we got the pump. Okay. And yes, we call this a pump on lower time frame. Maybe stop loss here actually. I mean, since the low is not the best, I think this range high is. I mean, I don't give it a lot of probability to happen, but I mean, if we're going to get a long or to trap some early some breakout longers, right? Yeah, we're getting the pump. There you go. So this is the range high, this is the range low. Let me mark it for you, right? So we can get a pump to this level, fail this swing failure this, and then make a new low, then continuation to the upside. If we get a low like this, I mean a quick wick or like something that's not that fixes the TPO profile. What the hell? Where's my TPO? Give me my TPO back. Oh, yeah, something that fixes this low. A buying tail, something like this, or a buying tail like this, right? If we get that, okay, then we might get something for a reversal. But right now, I don't know. For now, I mean, make sure to take some profit. I usually take some profit at 1 hour when I scalp. Right? But yeah, this can happen as well. Alright, so I think that's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Luis, Slazak, Disclosure Kids, RBY, we had Rahul, we had Jay, Variety Life, we had Dora, Ludwig, JB, we had Pablo at the beginning of the stream, we had Robin. Thank you all. Thanks for tuning in. Let's chat on Discord if you want. Give me a tag, ask any questions. That's what people are doing. And I love it actually. So that's it for today. Have a nice day or night based on where you are living. Bye bye.